Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, as you can see, I just went to ballet. I just came back and I'm eating grapes. And okay, I'm gonna talk about my favorite YouTubers. So my favorite YouTuber is Rockelle. You guys might know her and might not. She inspires me and all that stuff. So I decided, and yes, she came to Orlando, but I didn't get to go because I had a ballet rehearsal, and yes, Rockelle is super important to me, but I'm Clara in the Nutcracker and I'm the lead, so I had to be there. And my mom said it was too expensive. Yeah. Anyways, I got some of her merch. I bought her new merch. The black one that says Yesterday on it from her new song Yesterday that just came out. Go stream it. And it's still coming because it's new and it just released. So I got these. I got these bracelets from the squad, and it always says, Frank Squad Shalom. Anyways, I'm gonna open the shirt up first. Crop top, sorry, mistaken. The material's so soft. This is so cute. I love this crop top. It says Stay Sweet BBY. And it's so cute. BBY by Rockelle. Oh my god, she's so cute when she was little. But she still is so pretty. You know what? I'm just going to use this tomorrow to stretch, and I'll do a daily stretch video. And this one. So I love her squad. My favorite ones from her squad are Emily and Piper, of course. So this one, it has squad on it. Ooh, it's all tangled up. These ones are just hearts. This one says Frank. This one says tired, because Jenna is always like, tired merch, you know what I mean? And this one's Shalom. I am so excited, guys. Tomorrow I am going to do a short video for my shorts, and I'm going to be using her merch. So see you guys tomorrow. Bye.